TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is an essential tool for industries such as chemical production, nuclear power, pharmaceuticals, aerospace engineering, natural gas transportation, and electronics manufacturing. Today, we'll focus on its critical role in the chemical industry. In chemical processing plants, pipelines must withstand corrosive substances and extreme operating conditions. The TATE machine produces corrosion-resistant, leak-proof welds, ensuring the integrity of systems transporting hazardous materials. Its automated orbital welding technology delivers unmatched consistency, reducing the risk of leaks and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. This machine handles a range of materials, including duplex stainless steel and titanium alloys, making it the ideal choice for demanding chemical environments. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, offering tailored OEM and ODM services. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. For more details, contact us at info@oktate.com.